Welcome back to Speak Japanese in 5 minutes, live from Cafe Jupiter. I can't believe it's already episode 7, K-sensei. We've learned so much together.
もちろんです、リオさん。And congratulations to all our listeners for reaching this milestone. Your progress is wonderful.
So, what's on the menu for today's lesson?
An excellent question. Today, we will discuss something we all use every day, time. The Japanese word for time is zikan.
Jikan. Got it. Sounds important.
It is. Now let's learn the word together. After me, zikan. Very good. One more time. Zikan.
Okay, so how do I ask you what time it is? Like, right now?
A fundamental question. In Japanese, you would ask, 今何時ですか?
Wow, that was quick. Can you break that down for us?
Of course. The phrase is made of a few parts. The first word, 今, means now. The next part, 何時, means what hour. It combines what and hour. So, altogether, 今何時ですか means now. What hour is it?
今何時ですか? Okay, I can definitely hear the pieces now.
Precisely. Now, for our listeners, let's practice. I will say it very slowly. Please repeat. 今何時ですか? 素晴らしい. Wonderful. Now, at a natural speed, listen and repeat. 今何時ですか? Excellent work.
Okay, I've asked the question, how do I answer it? Let's say it's 1 o'clock.
Answering is logical. You take the Japanese number and add the suffix z. This z marks the hour. So, for 1 o'clock, since 1 is ichi, you say ichizi.
Ichiji. Simple enough. What about 5 o'clock?
The number 5 is go, so it becomes gozi.
Goji. I'm getting the hang of this. What about a tricky one, like 9 o'clock? Is it QG?
A very important question, Leo-san. This is where students must be careful. 9 is irregular. We do not say kyuzi for the time. For 9 o'clock, we say kuzi.
Guji. Okay, that's a key one to remember. The exception proves the rule, as they say.
Indeed. Let's practice that special one. 9 o'clock is kuzi. Remember that. Kuzi.
This is great, Sensei. So now we can tell time. How do we connect this to our daily routine, like waking up?
An essential connection. Let's learn 2 key verbs. To wake up is okimasu,
Okimasu,
and to sleep is nemasu.
nemasu. Okay, okimasu and nemasu. So how would I say I wake up at 7 o'clock?
Excellent. For 7 o'clock, we say shichizi. To connect it to the action, we use the particle ni. So the full sentence is 7時に起きます.
7時に起きます. The ni is like the at in at 7 o'clock.
Exactly right. Your understanding is quick. Now, let's have everyone practice. 7時に起きます. Very well done.
That feels like a complete that. I can actually say something useful now.
Now, a rapid review. I will say a phrase. You repeat it in the 4-second pause. We will do this 3 times. Let's begin.
Let's do it.
Phrase 1. What time is it now? 今何時ですか? Again. 今何時ですか? Last time. 今何時ですか? Excellent. Phrase 2. I wake up at 7. 7時に起きます. Again. 7時に起きます. Last time. 7時に起きます. Very good. And a new one, based on the same pattern. I sleep at 10. 自由に寝ます.
Great job, everyone! Your challenge. Look at the clock right now and try to say the current hour in Japanese.
A fine challenge. And for today's tip, to specify AM or PM, you can add gozen for AM and go for PM before the time. For example, 9 AM is gozen kuzi and 9 PM is gogo kuzi.
Excellent tip. That's it for today's lesson. Thanks so much for spending this moment with us. Take your time to review and don't worry if it's not perfect yet. You're doing great. Next time on episode 8, we'll cover hobbies and likes, so don't miss it.
またね. Take care and see you in the next episode.